My life has been quite up and down. This year it's a fresh year, 366 days. There will be always passion. There will be always
Hi Hardik. So my question to you is, over the years, we witnessed various stages of your journey, from the dynamic and raw talent in 2015 to 2017 to the more refined, injury-affected phase. And now, throughout the Champions Trophy, you've displayed a new level of maturity and leadership. So now, as the captain of Mumbai Indians, how would you describe Hardik Pandya 3.0, and what do you envision for your continued growth, both as a player and a leader, and what surprises can we expect from you?
I mean, quickly I can. Yeah, my life has been quite up and down, but I think that has been the learning which I really enjoyed. It has just not taught me about the sport; it has taught me about life as well. That how life would be over the years. Um, yeah, I mean, this year it's a fresh year, 366 days. As you mentioned, a lot of things have changed. A lot of love and joy, and a lot of things are added. So yeah, I mean 3.0 would be, I mean every year I think it has become a point 0 added, but this year it will be same. There will be always passion, there will be always grit, there will be always challenges which I love, and I think for me the crucial part would be to make sure that the challenges are not the way how they've been thrown at me, but to my boys, if the challenges are thrown, how I can help them and fight their way out. So for me, that this year the challenges and the excitement part is that how can I add more value to all the players who are there, and yeah, my journey will keep continue. I'm here.